Hello YouTube, it's your old friend Noah here. We're gonna go check out all the fire trucks here. This here, we're in Wheaton Arts, here in Millville. And we're gonna check out this vintage fire truck show here. Look at this one here. This one, I guess this is a Ford, I'm not quite sure. Oh, it's an International. They're very rare. And no siren. I guess the siren's inside there, but oh well. There's another fire truck. I think this is another. Ooh, there's a Q. Federal Model Q. That's cool. It doesn't. I guess it's a Super Duty, I'm not quite sure because the Federal Model Q is blocking it. There's one with another Q. It's a very nice fire engine. There's one with another Q. There's a nice one. Looks like they put aftermarket wheels on it. It's pretty nice. What do we have here? Oh wow, we have a dozen of fire trucks here. You know what? I'm gonna look at these later. Let's look at the real good ones here. There's a fire Jeep. Got some pretty old vintage ones here. So let's go look at these. This one is American France. Not quite sure. These fire trucks, I'm not quite sure. I don't know about. Ooh, there's an old vintage siren. If you guys know what model number this is, please let me know. There's another one. Ooh, like this one. Pretty nice one. That's a pretty old siren. Wow, I really like this one. So is this one. Ooh. I think that's another model something fire siren, fire truck siren. Inside looks like it has 4 vanes. I don't know if you could see that.
Where'd you go?
There's another one, but where's the siren? Maybe it's inside. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's a hand crank siren. That's nice. Very nice. They didn't have electric motors, I guess, back in the day. They just had a crank. And I don't want to touch this. I don't want to get in trouble. Yeah, we'll look at those fire trucks later. There's some old fire equipment. Old fire hoses. Ooh, look at this one. This one is a 67 Jeep. Fire Jeep. This one's pretty nice. See if there's a siren. Oh, yes, there is. Looks like an Ademco siren. Inline 6 engine. Wow, this one's nice. This is from Millville. Oh, where's the siren on that? Oh, there it is. It's right there. Oh wow, that's just beautiful. There's a little hand crank siren. Alright. Let's keep looking. Oh wow, there's a lot of fire trucks around here. There's some blue fire trucks. Ah, there's a very nice, looks like a Ford Model A fire engine. Ford Model something. Oh, that is just beautiful. Wow. That is, I love this one. This is so nice. Nope, can't touch it. Don't want to touch the siren. Another hand crank siren. Wow, 1916, this thing is a vintage. Here's another fire wagon. Guess it's a fire wagon. Alright. Hope they are selling some cool fire engine stuff. Let's find out if there's any fire trucks or any classics down here. I don't know. We'll find out. Well, forgot my money. This is exactly why I should have brought my money. This is just a bad idea. Oh well. Oh well. Maybe there's more fire engine truck shows next year. Well, let's keep looking. Holy crap! Would you look at this? A fire alarm. Wow, a fire alarm. I never touched anything like this before. That's nice. Wow. Wonder if they have any sirens. Any mechanical sirens. Ooh, there's some good ones there. Dang. There's some sirens. Holy crap.
Yeah. Yeah.
Holy crap. This one is big. There's another big siren. Wow, that thing is huge. Well, I certainly don't want to mount this to my house. There's an old fire bell, fire station bell. I hope they sell any sirens here. Wonder if they sell sirens here. What's this? Is that another siren? Wow, that's a big siren. I like that one. What's this? Is this another siren? It probably... Nope, that's a water pump. Oh, my hands are all greasy. Oh, wow. Dang it! That's why you should bring your money. Ah, man, oh man. This is exactly why I should... Oh, there's more fire sirens over there. More fire truck equipment. Oh, wow, they got lights. There's a Federal Q2B. There's a Federal Model Q. Hey, what's this? Oh, that's another old siren. I'm obsessed in the air raid sirens.
That's alright. I was going to say be a little bit more obsessed than Bobby.
I'd rather... Wow, this one's big. Well, big fire engine siren. I like this one. Too bad I don't have any money. What's this? A Demco? It doesn't look like a Demco.
That's it.
Heh. Let's look over here, see if there's any more sirens. Okay.
Is he? I told him to get up here. He stopped. When I saw him out there to...
See fire truck lights, but no sirens.
When you're loading something like that on a flat piece, like on a ladder truck underneath the ladder, you just cut the wood, the shape of the blade, and put the blade into the
I bet
wood.
there's more sirens. Oh, there's one! This one is a, looks like another, I don't know. I don't know what that one is. If you guys know what that is, please let me know. I can't see any more sirens over here. Let's keep looking. Find any more Demco sirens or something. There's some old fire trucks. Old die-cast fire engine. Eh, that's kind of cute. Old Ford truck. but the fenders are closed. That's nice. Dang, that's probably why I should have brought my money. Oh, look at that. There's a bell. Let's see here. Any sirens? Nope, no sirens here. There's another bell right there. They got great stuff. Oh, what's this? Nope, no sirens. No, I can't find any more sirens. Dang, that's probably... Oh wait, there's always... tomorrow, I don't know. Wow, what's this? A GTX. No, a GTX or a Roadrunner. How you doing, sir? What's this? A Fairlane. Ford Fairlane. That's nice. Now, once again, I am obsessed in sirens, so let's find out if there's any sirens in here. Nope, I see lights, hubcaps, but no sirens.